Hey everybody, it's Greg here again. So we have number 2 of the 25 things homeowners should be doing around their house. So this one is the aerators in your faucet. So I'll show you what that is and how to clean them out. They build up with a lot of gunk and it slows down your faucet, plus all the water rushing past all that gunk is washing some of that gunk through with it. So if you're drinking the water straight out of the tap or anything, that's disgusting. Okay, so I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's the bathroom tap. So this is the aerator here, this piece right on the end. So you can see it's starting to fill up with some calcium kind of crap on there. But anyway, so this one has little cutouts on both sides, so you can stick a towel or something over this too if you don't want to damage the head at all. It's never really very tight, so I'm not too worried about it. But just turn this guy out, and then we will clean in there. I'll take it to somewhere where we can see a little better here. Okay, so there's a couple pieces to these aerators. So there's this little black washer, and take that out and do it somewhere where if you happen to drop these pieces, they are fairly small, so they could disappear on you, so we definitely don't want that. So cleaning out this guy, this is just more or less surface kind of crap that's on there, but you can use a small little brush or something like that. This will come out. It's kind of stuck in there. Okay, so we pop that out of there. So yeah, these are the 3 pieces that we're concerned about, and it's all these little holes that get plugged up that we want to make sure that are not plugged up, just so the faucet can actually work like it's supposed to. So I'm going to take a little brush and scrub this guy a little bit, get all that calcium off there. Okay, so this one was not too bad at all. It just had a bunch of gunk built up on the core shoulder back here. But if it is really bad and it's been a long time since it's been cleaned, you can always stick it in a little bowl or something with maybe CLR or something like that. Something that is just going to eat calcium, and just let it sit in there overnight. A lot of people do that, and it seems to work for them, but since I stay on top of mine, I usually don't need to do anything like that. So yeah, that was it. I'll show you. We'll throw it back on and we'll try it out. Okay, so putting it back together, exact opposite of how you took it apart. So put this guy down there, and try to notice the orientation too. I don't think it'll, well, I might go in the wrong way, but yeah, try to watch that anyway. I'm going to put this little black washer back in there, and can screw it back up into where it goes. Take your time putting this back on. You don't want to, cross thread or anything like that. You should definitely be able to screw it at least a bunch of times around with just your hand. And then what I do is I just do a little tighten, not much at all, with my crescent wrench, maybe half a turn. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's way more pressure than we had before. So I'm gonna go do another one, but I think I'm gonna grab the shower head. It's got the same kind of deal on it. Okay, so got the shower head here. So same kind of deal. It's got these little notches right there. So get on there and turn this guy out. All right, now we'll go check out this guy. All right, so with these heads, this one actually isn't too bad. I just did it probably a couple weeks ago, but there's a little bit of calcium on there. So I'll scrub that off. I just wanted more or less show you guys how to remove these. And yeah, the fact that people should be doing this, it definitely helps out a lot. So I'll go give this a scrub and I'll throw it back on. So if you find that any of these holes are plugged, before you do any of the scrubbing, you always take a little, anything that you can poke into here that you're not going to lose. Like, don't use a toothpick or something like that, because getting the wet wood inside of there could bust off inside of there. But some kind of little metal pick is usually best. These are just rubber, so I wouldn't poke at them too hard, but you can kind of dig out a little bit of the calcium that builds up on there. And that's it. Now I'm going to throw this back on. All right, so with these guys, same kind of deal. Just want to thread them on nice and slow, making sure that they're actually going to go on properly. You shouldn't feel a lot of resistance, especially not right off the bat. So get that there, and I don't know, there's probably a certain measurement that plumbers use or whatever for this tightening, but I say a quarter to a half a turn works just fine for me. Okay, so we got another one here. Yeah, let's get some stuff in there too. So take apart that guy and clean it too. All right, that one's all cleaned up. So put this one back together. Yeah, this is, I don't know, it's literally taking me maybe about 3 minutes total. Unscrewing, screwing back on, and cleaning out these guys. As long as you kind of stay on top of them, they don't build up with a lot of stuff. I've seen some that are horrible that would take probably quite a while to clean, but yeah, these aren't too bad. Fantastic. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Yeah, I just wanted to show you basically how to take those off, and the fact that you can just take those off and clean them out. It's not a big deal. It's something you really should be doing, and it's easy. So anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment on whether you did this or not, and how well it went, I guess. Hit that like button, and let's get some more subscribers. We need to definitely get that guy up. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.